In a world of constant movement and development, you can never stay still. Therefore, ETP always move forward. When demands are high and the pace is quick, we never see a problem, only possibilities to create new solutions. With innovative ideas, we design and manufacture products that make your job easier and quicker, to help you achieve the excellence you are capable of. Surrounded by the vast and powerful Scandinavian nature, we experience firsthand how raw forces can be channeled and used. Simplicity and accuracy is key to everything we do, and we make sure our products not only work, but are the most efficient in the field. The result is strong and durable products that harness forces and carry them from one place to another. ETP. Quick, easy, precise.